Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I am going to go on and finish up. I've decided that these don't look like trees, but they do look like flowers, and if I put some green stuff at the bottom, then they'll look more like flowers still. And I wanted to show you what I've been doing in the 2 minutes since you've been gone. Well, maybe not even that long. And I'm just using the flat, blunt end of the skewer and any moist paint and just spiraling a few things out, which is no big deal. I want that white thing though. So a few spirals never hurt anything, especially mixed in with those stripes. So what I'm going to do now is grab some green gold color shift, some minty green color shift, some of that paint they don't sell anymore, which is was an Art Minds. I don't want that turquoise, I want that green. Okay, so here you go. I'm just going to put some of each in there. Actually, I want some purple too. Because the paint was a little thin on the bottom no matter what. I'll remember that for another time. I don't mind if there's other stuff in here, like gold. I won't be tipping. Usually I would tip one of these. Where's that purple? Might be a little too evenly distributed. I've told you everything in the last video, so you won't need to hear my spiel again about my books, although they are on the Amazon link under the link tree. I would appreciate a thumbs up if I could have one, and if you've got on the last one, I didn't ask. I want to tell you guys I appreciate your comments, that there is, and also to check on the end screens of any video, and there should be an exhibition video that we'll share with you. The drawing prizes that'll be available for whoever wins the drawing. Yeah, I did, and I'll do it again. I don't mind mixing a few of the colors from the bottom to the top. Everything has a reflection quotient. Try not to get so extreme that I ruin anything that I like. I got a few edges to cover up, but so much for part 2. I'll try and skip the commercials on this one. Hopefully I'll remember to do that. So I'm going to cover my bottom edge with the residuals from my card. I'm going to torch really fast to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and maybe to release some patterns. I kind of doubt the pattern part right now. Do I want anything above the top of this? Because I have been doing that, and I do like adding things. So that is the purple flash that I love so much from Folk Art again. And if I do it on the top half, I might have to do it on the bottom half. But I might switch colors. Ooh, where's my blue? Yeah, that's kind of spiffy. That's my word, and I'm going for it. The blue is hard to use if you're in deep colors because it doesn't show up. But once things are a little settled down, this blue shows quite nicely. I was never a flower person before I started doing fluid art. I mean, I like them and I like other people's, but I never did them myself. So that's pretty cool. That's the zingy thing that made this something else. And I could probably put blue up there and pink down here. And so could you. Maybe I'll do a little bit, just in case the blue sinks like I'm seeing it sink. So there'll still be something left. I could put a little turquoise too. I think I'm going to try a little blue up there. So as I was saying, probably, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you most of all, especially right now, for the contributions that you can allow the studio through PayPal and Patreon. The links are on, the icons are on my channel header on my YouTube channels on both of them. And you can also find, by opening the link tree, you can find PayPal or Patreon. I myself prefer the PayPal. So I could spiral some of that stuff out, but I don't think I need to. And that's pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that at all. It's not a keyhole swipe by any stretch of the imagination, but it's also something that I'm appreciating very much. I could put some more green in almost anywhere and make some spiky things up and down. I gotta stop playing now, I think. Maybe not. I want to steal some paint. You can also make texture on this stuff, just in case you need to know, by rolling a skewer and spread paint that way too. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell, finishing up in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I wonder if you can see all that if I leave it like that. Well, you can. Cool. Alright, you guys take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.